Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my garden, what all flowers are there in my garden. This, if you can see, is a mandara plant. We just chopped it off because there was a lot of insects on it. And here is a flower, very small one. And then move on, let's move on. Here, if you can see, we have orange flowers. Normally all sparrows sit over here. You can see the orange flowers. And let's move on. We have another plant which has white flowers, and here you can see those flowers. Yeah, and then we have a light yellow mandara also. Here it is, light hibiscus, light yellow hibiscus. And then moving down, these are those purple flowers we have. Right now I'm on my terrace. We have this mango tree also. If you can see, there's a small mango. Now that the mango season is over, you cannot find any other mangoes on the tree. And then we have this lemon tree also. Let me zoom to one of the lemon. See, I hope you can see it. So these are the lemons, and this is the lemon tree which we have. So these are all the plants which we have in our compound.